What do you think, Jesse? You like that? Do you want one? Yes. All right, Jesse. What are you feeling?
Neck crack.
You want a neck crack?
I don't feel anything hurting though.
Good. That's great, Jesse. Big breath. All the way out. Relax. Wow, that was a good one, Jesse. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Good. Let me check your back, okay? Other side. Whoa. That was a big one, Jesse. High five. On your back. Let's do your neck. Where's Hazel? There she is. Where's Hazel? Are you ready, Jesse?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Nice and relaxed. So, I have a question for you, Jesse.
What?
What was your high today?
My high was seeing Dad at
Yeah.
his office.
Thanks. All right, one more on this side, Jesse, okay?
Okay.
Big breath in. All the way up. Whoa, that was a good one, Jesse. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Mhm.
You want to say anything to the camera?
I love my dad.
Oh, thanks, Jesse.
Hi.
Sissy's turn. Come on.